Did you know that you don't need to use the default inline code editor, text editor to add messages? You can actually configure Git to open whatever app you want. So if I did an add, if I do an add and I just do a git commit and I don't do a -m and I open up in a text editor, I have VI. And let's say I don't want to do that. Quit out. If you are stuck in this, you can get out by doing :Q exclamation point. That will quit without saving. But let's say I want to use VS Code. I could use this command to set my core editor as code instead of VI. And now when I say git commit, it should, waiting for my editor to close the file. What file does it have open? Oh, there it goes. So it automatically puts your commit message in VS Code. So and it's nice because it also adds the files that you changed. And so if you want to do this for other apps, you can go to the Git Pro book, which is at git.scm.com/book. And I think that'll get you somewhere. Let's see. Yeah, just .com will get you there. All right. Thank you. And there are a million to choose from. They've got WordPad, Visual Studio Code, Vim, TextPad, TextMate. There's a Sublime in here. There is BBEdit and a bunch others. Atom is also there, and you can just copy this code and you're good to go. All right, thanks.